welcome back to another video. If you're new to my channel, my name is Miss Tamika. I upload videos once a week, which is Sunday. I decided to use my vlogging camera today. I didn't feel like pulling out my whole studio situation. So today I decided to do one of my favorite YouTube videos, and that is a what's in my bag video. I wanted to do a what's in my bag video only because I am looking to switch this bag out to probably my birthday Louis Vuitton, or the other Louis Vuitton. I got the Odeon PM, not sure which one, but when I do switch it out, of course I will share with you all. And no, I have been carrying my Louis Vuitton Graceful PM, and let me just say, I love this bag so much. Like, I really don't want to switch out, because with this bag, if it rains, snows, snow, winter storm, whatever, I'm good. But with the monogram one, you know, you have to be kind of careful. But if I do decide to wear my birthday gift, I will be spraying it down with the Apple Guard. And a lot of people ask me about Apple Guard. I did get my Apple Guard off of Amazon, and I will try and link it down below. Risk. All I know is I spray it to protect my bags moving forward. So, like I said, this here thing is packed to the brim. As you can see, in this bag, I have quite a bit, y'all. I have my iPhone 12 Pro Max, and I think Apple is going to be coming out with a new phone. And y'all know, if it's different than what I already have, I will be in a new iPhone. And I did get this from Target. It was on sale. I like a phone with a pop socket because y'all know I like taking pictures. This cookie from work, Sunday Riley came to visit, so of course I had to grab a cookie. I heard it was good. I haven't tasted mine yet, but I think my daughter tried hers. Keys, I did have some mace on it, but I ended up giving it to one of my Sephora friends because I felt like she needed it more than I did. So I'm gonna just go ahead and repurchase myself another one. So yeah, I got my keys with my Gucci key pouch, y'all. When I tell you I love my Gucci key pouch, like when I'm at work and I don't carry, well, I do carry a work bag, but keys and go. And I do have my gate card in here, so all I do is tap the pad and I'm in the gate. My pill holder, y'all know I got this at the cosmetic company. Not the cosmetic, the Container Store. When I tell you it was so hard to find this, so when I got it, I ended up getting two, and mom. So yeah, you all, I had this. And I normally keep Tylenol, regular Tylenol, and chewable Tylenols, because I don't really like taking a lot of Tylenol, so I'm more so like taking the chewables, which are like the children version, and they work just fine. My AirPods, y'all know I go everywhere with my AirPods. I need them because I'm always on the phone. Wet ones, I do need some more. As you can see, they are almost gone. So I do have some of these here, wet ones. I like to use them to wipe down the carts, wipe down my car, steering wheel sometimes, or just using to wipe down my hands. So I got this in one of my Sephora purchases. It came with, like, I think the sunscreen set. It was one of the Sephora purchases that I just purchased. So I just threw all my goodies inside. COVID cards. I have my, it still smells. I have my Louis Vuitton perfume cards that I got when I went to change out that wallet. Bath and Body Works lotion. Fenty blotting powder. I love to keep blotting powder, you all, because it's getting ready to be, well, not getting ready to be, it's summer almost, so you gotta always carry. I can't go nowhere without it. Hand sanitizer, y'all know I swear by my Touchland hand sanitizer, and I do know that Sephora carries this here now, so I am super excited, so I don't have to go to Ulta anymore. My YSL lip balm, this is what I use when I don't want to put nothing on my lips, y'all. When I tell you this is the best lip balm ever, and it smells like candy. Oh my gosh, it smells so delicious, you all. I love my lip balm. My Summer Friday lip gloss, y'all know. I got this with one of the Sephora favorite sets. So yeah, I like this a lot. My Sephora friend, which is Stacy, introduced me to Summer Friday. So last but not least, I have a Sephora lip gloss. I love, love, love Sephora collection. Y'all don't sleep on Sephora collection, you all. They have some really good stuff. And these here are, I think, like $10. They are really, really nice. I have a tissue. I have my, what was it, Mother's Day? Not Mother's Day, birthday gift. My little Prada bag. And I don't keep nothing much in here. This is the way I really wanted to pack it. I just threw some stuff in here. So most likely I will be changing this here out. Again, another Touchland hand sanitizer. Another YSL. And some CeraVe lotion. So yeah, most likely I will be switching this out. And if y'all didn't know, it has the Prada in the inside. I love this little thing. It's just so cute and little. So I have that. Newest purchase, but I'm not going to show that because I have an unboxing coming up. Well, I have this here Sephora pouch. It's dirty. I don't know how it got dirty like that. I don't know. But in here really quick, I have my Chanel lotion. Y'all know I love this lotion, but this lotion is the lotion that I don't use all the time because y'all know this is really, really expensive. So I use this on special occasions. My Bath and Body Works hand sanitizer, a lip balm. It's just like a little chapstick type of lip balm. There's some tissues I got from Target. Hand sanitizer and Purell. I tell you, these things are so hard to get at our store. So any pop-up that I don't have, I grab them. I don't care what color they are. I just grab them, you all. Because I'm telling you, these things are so hard to get. What I should have did was sold one of them. But yeah, I ended up getting, I think I had, no, I had 4. I think I have 3. Because I gave one to my daughter. She looked up and got one because it was clear. Color, yeah, I have 3, and then my daughter had one. So I have a total of 4. I'm looking just for one color. I think the darkest color in this lip oil. And it is just so nice. Like, I love the applicator on here. It's like a doe foot applicator. Oh my gosh, you all, I love this here lip. It's so nice. One of those lip glosses, lip oils that, like, if you're at the pool, you don't want to, of course, wear a whole full face. You put your glasses on and put some of it, put these here on your lips, honey. You're going to be cute and fly all at the same time. Like, I'm just trying to tell you. Then also I have a pen. Yeah, I have that inside of here. This is one of the things that you can carry because they like you to carry like clear pouches at work. So, you know, when you go get your bag search, it's easier for you to look through. But I don't carry a lot of little stuff like I used to anymore. So, this is a number, I think, for a hairdresser. Because y'all, when I see women come into Sephora, I'll ask who do their hair because y'all know I don't have a hairstylist here in Georgia. I did get my daughter hair done, but she went to the Dominicans, and her hair turned out nice. But before that, I was looking for someone to do my hair because when I take my braids out, I'm thinking, not 100% sure, I'm thinking of letting my real hair out. I'm not sure, but if I do let it out, I may not wear it as long, but I do want them to cut it and, you know, get it healthy or whatever. So that's why every time, like I said, I'll see somebody, they'll write the number down for me. So that's what this is. I have this here card holder with my YouTube cards. These here are kind of, well, no, not kind of, they are old. So I will be looking to upgrade these here social media cards. I did get these done at Walgreens, so these are new looks. So hopefully by now they'll have new looks to their what were they, business cards, because back when I did it, it was like a while ago, so they didn't have a lot to choose from. Starbucks straw, and the inside is still bright red, you all. I would love to purchase a organizer. So if you know of any organizers, can you leave them down below, because I do want the inside of my bag to stay this pretty red. The inside pocket, I just have my Chanel mirror. I took it out of that black little pouch thing because y'all, it was just getting full of lint and I didn't like that. So I do have my Chanel mirror. Keep like all the information on my bag, like the style number and the little cards that came with my receipt. I actually got the receipt in here too. What did I buy? What's this? So yeah, I have that inside of the back pocket. Still holding up, you all. I haven't gotten it hot stamped as of yet. I am looking to do that, but I've been busy working, and like I said, when I go down to when I'm off, I kind of don't feel like going to Lenox Mall, you all. But now since the weather's changing, I may take a visit because I did get an email stating that they opened up an actual Gucci store inside of Lenox, and I heard that it has a restaurant, so I may make my way down Lenox Mall. Want to go with me because y'all know Lenox Mall not like it used to be, so I can't just go down there by myself like I used to do. Then I may drop my stuff off again, not sure, because it's not like I have to rush and do it, you all, to be honest, because I am looking to put this bag up soon. So still holding on, you all. When I tell you I do not baby this bag at all, and this is why I love the Damier Bean print. I was looking at a Speedy 25, you all, and I was just like, Tamika, get off the internet. Like, get off. Wear what you have, because I have 2 bags I haven't worn, y'all. So that's why I'm like, okay, I need to switch out of this bag and wear one of my new bags. Newest purchase as far as my birthday gift, that's Monogram, and y'all know how Monogram is. Like, I don't have time, like, if it's raining outside, oh, I gotta change my bag type thing. So that's the only reason why I haven't worn that bag as of yet. Know that it's not going to be raining here for a while. I was looking to switch that bag a couple weeks ago before the 30 days ended, but then I was just like, I don't even feel like being bothered, because I was like, do I want a Monogram bag? But then I was like, I haven't purchased Monogram in a while, so I was like, Tamika, just keep it. What I'm gonna do is, like I said, I'm gonna treat it with Apple Guard, so hopefully that protects the bag. I'm not gonna wear it in pouring down rain, of course, but it's just a lot when it's raining like that, trying to hold the bag and the umbrella and like this. I didn't have to worry about that, because if it rained, it just rained. I didn't care, you all. I wanted to share a oldie but goodie, what's in my bag video, because I feel like I haven't done, well, I have done one when I felt like I haven't done one in a while. I'm sure I have, you all. So I did a what's in my bag video, but like I said, I love those here. I love those videos. They are one of my favorites. I was outside taking pictures. This is why I have this on. I wanted an outside picture, but my daughter wants to go hang with her friends, so maybe I'll just, I'll just probably have to take what I have, because I did take some like outside on the patio, but I wanted like some outside pictures, because it's really, really nice today, you all. I am off today, so I'm super happy about that. Next week after Mother's Day, I think I'll have 2 days off, so I'll probably be able to film a little more. But I do, like I said, I do pre-film, so I have a new Louis Vuitton unboxing, because like I said, I did switch out to a new wallet because I like the style of the wallet, and I actually got a whole different print and something way better. So I was glad I went into store. I'm glad I went into the store and meet my friend pretty soon. Maybe I'll see if she'll take some pictures of me. I don't know. But yeah, you all. So I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna end this here video. I just wanted to share really quick I just wanted to share really quick what was in my bag. And when I decide on what bag I end up wearing, I'll, turn the camera back on and share with you all. But really quick, I I'm gonna go ahead and end this here vlog. If I decide to turn the camera back on, I will turn it back on once I come back, because I have to run to Sam's Club really quick. So with that being said, you all, I will see y'all when I get back, because most likely I will be turning this camera back on. So I'll see you in a little bit. Bye. Okay, y'all, I told y'all I was gonna turn the camera back on when I got home. I gotta wash my hands because I'm about to make me a salad. Taking some pictures, you all. So I'm probably gonna post them to my Instagram. So again, I'm gonna leave that across the screen. I didn't even empty my lunch. Oh yes, I did, because I've been taking a sandwich in this here container I got from TJ Maxx. But y'all, let me just tell you, it is hot outside, so I don't know if I'm gonna be able to eat my lunch in my car. Not sure, because it's hot. Like, it is really, really hot. So I wanted to share my salad from Publix. Let me see something that I really love, you all. I love this dressing. You can get it at practically anywhere, at Target or Walmart or Publix. To put the everything but the bagel seasoning on my salads. I usually put the dressing on first because it helps the seasoning to stick. What I do is I just pour this, and I'm a little heavy-handed because I like my stuff. I like flavor, y'all. So it is a lot, but again, I love flavor. All I will have today, because like I said, this is more than enough. I had bought this yesterday, and I ate off of it yesterday. Lord, bless this food I'm about to eat in Jesus' name, amen. Oh, my mouth was watering as I was praying, y'all. When I tell you this salad is so good with this and that dressing, oh my goodness. I vlog this time because I have a lot of cleaning up to do. And it's already 4 for my daughter. I hope y'all enjoyed my vlog, sharing what's in my bag, because I felt like, I just felt like sharing what was in my bag before I switch out. Don't forget to click on that subscribe button, y'all. And I also want to shout out to all my new subscribers. Thank you so much for subscribing to my channel, because I really appreciate it, because I am growing. See that? So thank you, thank you, thank you. A thanks button to my YouTube page, so don't feel like you have to click on that. I just added that feature on my videos just in case anyone want to help fund my addiction. Like I said, I really don't know too much about it, but yeah, like I said, if y'all want to add some thanks to my channel, I will gladly appreciate it, you know, because I can keep on filming videos for you all too. But yeah, so with that being said, you all, I will talk to y'all in another video. Bye.